Hey guys, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. Let's go. Today on the show where I watch police chases, we got a Audi A7 evading Trooper Bird over at ASP. Shout out to LRH and Cash for the video. Original video will be in the description. Dog, that thing has to be a RS7. The way he's like just dogging on the motor, dogging on the throttle. That Audi is way too fast for that Charger to keep up. So the cop lights him up. Is the Audi even gonna act like he's pulling over? No, he doesn't. The Trooper Bird is staying right there with him. Thank y'all. I appreciate y'all. 500 subs. We did it. I gotta drop some merch. That's gotta be like just physically here for a giveaway or something, man. I'm surprised this Trooper is staying this close to the Audi. It has to be that supercharged V6. So the Audi tried to do the move where he gets off the freeway and back on the freeway, but the cop literally just stayed right with him. Trooper Bird is dogging on the motor. He's on that motor, bro. He ain't playing not one bit. If y'all don't know, if the cops catch the Audi, which I don't want to see him do. I love Audis. I got an Audi. But if they catch the bad guy, the runner, I clap it up for him, we eat a donut. Of course I don't have a donut today. It's peanut butter jelly time now. Okay, so it goes into slow-mo here. That's just the A7. I don't know what they slowed it down for. Y'all let me know down in the comments. What do you see? ASP wants that pit. This Audi has to get off the brakes. He got some work cut out for him trying to catch this Audi in this construction. Damn. Trooper Bird is gonna smash into him. That Audi is pretty fast. They got the 3-point slow. This girl calling me. The girl I cannot answer. I'm on a video. I'm gonna call you right back though. Where is the Audi? Okay, so I applied to Chipotle. They just sent me an update on my application. So is the Audi giving up? Damn. The grape ones are not as good as the strawberry ones. Damn, they trying to slam him and shit. They big mad, man. You ran in the big A7. You hear how that door open, man? It's a lot different from what them boys used to. Why they opening his trunk? The lift gate. Because it's a hatchback, technically. Again, shout out to LRH and Cash for the video. Original video will be in the description. Dog, that chase went way better than I thought it would go. I thought it was a RS7 or S7 for a second. Kind of heard a little motor there. But that was just Trooper Bird stepping in the motor, you know what I mean. Anyways, let's clap it up for ASP, man. They got him. They sure did. LRH and Cash titled the video Trooper Bird using tracking dart when chasing fast Audi. I don't know what he meant by that, but he tracked him down. He sure did. And the guy ultimately just gave up. Probably just ran out of fuel. Who knows? I do not condone running from the police. You shouldn't do it. But this is how I watch police chases. You know what I mean? I'm blessed to have seen an Audi do a chase. I feel bad for the guy. You know what I mean? He's gonna have to do the time. But hey, this is what happens when an A7 refuses to stop. He's got a supercharged V6. If you have a supercharged V6, are you stopping for the police? The wee. Y'all let me know down in the comments, cause like, I'm just saying, he had all the means to get away. He has Quattro, he has the supercharged V6. What's stopping him from wanting to stop? Nothing. But ultimately, the law always wins. You can't do that. You can't just run from the police. He could have just pulled over. It could have been something simple. But the cop was already on tip with him. Yeah. Anyways, this is JTSpeeds, and I am out. Peace. Big Joe sitting low. No little bitch, you cannot get a photo. I box the coupe now.